He looks just like the tree.
Wait, that's the bird when we saw with Summer. It's the... He looks so peaceful. There too.
Huh?
Whoa, there's a whole flock of them!
No. Not like that bird. It's not.
Oh.
He looks like the tree. Look at the tree. Look at the sunflower tree. See the bird on the tree?
Mm-hmm. I do.
You see Nicholas?
Yeah. He remembered those from last week.
Oh, yeah, there are two of them.
Wait a minute. Daddy?
What?
I saw a cat pass by there. Maybe that's a cat. Mother. Yes. When is the pool going to be refilled?
It's not.
Oh. Yeah.
Summer is over with, sweetie.
Summer's over with?
Yes.
Summer? Let's see.
You go to school Monday.
Let's